We all know the name Dodge Motors, famous for automobiles, but how much do you know about the Dodge family's mansions? Hi everyone, Ken here. Welcome to This House. Today we are exploring Playa Riente in Palm Beach, Florida. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an exciting episode of This House. In 1923, oil tycoon Joshua S. Costin built his dream house in Palm Beach, Florida. He quickly lost his fortune and within 3 short years put the palatial estate known as Playa Riente up for sale. Horace Dodge, the co-founder of the Dodge Motor Company, had just died unexpectedly and his widow Anna was looking for a new vacation home. Hugh Dillman, Anna's realtor, showed her Playa Riente and she fell in love, not only with the house, but with the charming young realtor. Hugh Dillman had previously been an actor in the movie The Amateur Widow. The plotline told the story of a young man who married a wealthy widow, so perhaps he saw an opportunity when he met Anna. The two lovebirds wed, and Anna purchased the 73-room palace sitting on 27 oceanfront acres for $1.8 million, or the modern-day equivalent of nearly $30 million. Playa Riente had been thoughtfully planned out by its former residents, the Costins. They had traveled Europe acquiring antiques, murals, tapestries, and instruments to fill the home. The Moorish-style house boasted massive rooms which were rumored to have murals over 100 feet long spanning the ceilings. The 60-foot-long entrance hall was crafted by master stonemasons with Solomonic columns supporting the Gothic arches under the coffered ceilings. Stairs at the end of the entrance hall led to the living room with unobstructed views of the ocean. To either side were loggias for enjoying the ocean breeze. Above these rooms, on the second floor, was the ballroom inspired by Venetian design. Careful planning of the cantilever terrace allowed for visitors to only see the ocean with the ground being blocked from view, giving the illusion that the ballroom was floating on the ocean. Anna and Hugh would entertain notable guests, including the Duke and Duchess of Windsor. Their parties would spill out of the ballroom and onto the beach and would sometimes include excursions aboard Anna's yacht, the Delphine, the largest private yacht in the world at the time. Anna's life had turned sour by 1954. She and Hugh were separated, and she became a recluse. She held an auction to sell all the furniture and art inside Playa Riente. The newspapers reported some 2,500 people purchased items at the auction, which set a new record in the United States. Too difficult to find a buyer, Anna intended to donate the palatial estate to be used as a school. But the city's zoning regulations would not allow the house to be used in such a way. Instead of putting up a fight, she was ready to leave Palm Beach forever, so she hired a demolition crew and had the house razed. The land was later sold off to developers. There's a lot more to Anna's story in the video we recently did about Rose Terrace in Grosse, Pointe, Michigan. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to watch it so you find out why the wealthiest woman in the world spent her last years locked away in her bedroom. As always, thank you all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what you thought about Anna Dodge's Playa Riente down in the comments below. I'd also like to say a special thank you to our This House supporters whose names you can see on screen right now. If you would like to see your name on the screen, please consider joining our membership program today. I'll see you next time on This House.